Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by enabling lock screen access for the voice assistant and granting microphone permission. This lets the assistant hear you when the display is off. Once done, make sure a secure unlock method is configured because some commands still require confirmation. Next, set or confirm the wake phrase and the physical shortcut, side or home button, so you can summon the assistant with the phone locked. Try a quick wake test now to ensure the assistant responds with the screen remaining locked. Once the assistant is listening, speak concise commands that the lock state permits. For example, call a contact, set a timer, or start navigation to a saved place. The assistant limits access to sensitive data when the phone is locked, so you'll get summarized answers or prompts to unlock for details. If a command needs verification, the assistant will request you to unlock. Make sure to provide the minimum input to proceed. Keep commands short to reduce false triggers and speed execution. To finish, verify the assistant completed the task. If it asked you to unlock, follow that prompt and complete the action securely. If it didn't respond, first check microphone and lock screen permissions, then re-record or re-enable the wake phrase and confirm the button shortcut works. Once you've checked settings, restart the phone and test again. If problems persist, reset voice assistant settings and repeat the initial enable and test steps. That typically resolves most lock screen access issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.